Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, in this occasion, I will explain about my game that I make in Scratch. But before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Rayhan Najib Zaprandusmana, and you can call me Rayhan. I'm from 7th grade, especially 7A. Like I say before, I want to explain my game Scratch that is si penjaga kebun. I make this game because I get task from school for make game Scratch. Okay, I will show to you. The first is the sprite, the backdrop, how to play it, and then the code. Okay, in here there is sprite button. There is the code that I make with myself, and there is the sprite broccoli, salad, tomato, and the MC in here. There is so many code that I make in here. And the enemy, the button, the big boss, the story, and closing, and after that I will show to you the backdrop. We have 7 backdrop. That is the first, the opening, the second for the ngerawat tanaman, and then these two, blue sky, forest, backdrop, and the last blue sky too. After that I will show to you how to play it. The first, we must have application Scratch or website. We can open and make a game from ourselves, and then I will play it. When green flag clicked, there is button start and the title in here in the game, penjaga kebun. After that, there is the story in here. There's the story in here, story about Danang, and there is the button for we can next to the continue to the next backdrop. Nah. And this the big boss give the what Danang must do it and go to the portal, and then Danang give the water, and then Danang must panen the sayuran, and then catch the enemy that is bird. If are ready, Danang go to the next backdrop. He found with the big boss, and then say if already catch the fruit, already panen, and already catch the bird. So the main point in here, the game is like when we jaga the kebun, and then there is the enemy that is the bird, and then big boss give the Danang arahan for panen and catch the bird. Okay, I will repeat again. In here, we like usually we click the button, then there is the script in here. You can read. If already we can skip. In here we can use button right, left, up or down for siram the tanaman, for the tanaman is numbuh or the tanaman is change color. Like tomato before the color is green, but if already numbuh the color is red, like broccoli too. Then we reset. Nah, we skip. Then in here we kasih air. Okay, when the bird in here, the danang is don't know if the bird want to take the sayuran. And then after danang siramin the tanaman, the bird is eat the sayuran from danang. And then the sayuran is broken. And then there is the text in here. The bird say, saya telah memakan sayuran kamu. And then when danang want to siram the tanaman, the will change costume, right? The first is kan like this. And then if danang siram the tanaman, the costume will change like this. After that, there is danang set in here. Sayurku habis telah dimakan. And then there is the portal, because Big Boss now if the bird already eat the sayuran. And then danang go to Big Boss room. Then Big Boss give the instruksi what danang will do it. Nah, and then danang in here, the next backdrop that is forest, danang will tanam again the sayuran. Like usually we use water for the tanaman is can numbuh. And then after the tanaman is numbuh, danang will take the tanaman. After that he will catch the bird. After that danang will go to the next backdrop. And then danang will say to the Big Boss, already catch the bird. And then collect the fruit. Okay, we will play. Nah, we give the air, the water, and then there's the bird eat our sayuran. Then go to the portal Big Boss. And then the Big Boss ask, and the danang answered, and go to the next sprite. And then we tanam again. Already there is the text from the sayuran is panen. So if already there is the text from the sayuran is panen, we just take. After that we catch the bird in here. Then we just go to here. And then danang will automatic change custom to danang how this pegang the buah. And then report to Big Boss if the fruit already collect. Okay, maybe that's all from me. I'm sorry if when I explain I'm wrong say. And then when I make the game there is wrong. Yeah, because the wrong is from me and from Shaitan. The correctly from Allah. Okay, maybe that's all. Syukran. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.